It's another year, another ROG, and they have come up with what they do best. That's the best spec sheet phone. Watch till the end to know more about the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. Let me break it down to the simplest form to make you understand why this phone is so significant, right? First off, the processor. The processors usually made for the ROG phones are not specifically made for them, but they usually come out with the best processor that's out at the time. Second off, the design has a built-in motorized air cooling vent. This helps the thermal efficiency and can cool the phone down by 10%. Now remember, their niche is for gamers, and this is a very useful feature for gamers that use the phone for prolonged period that can heat up the phone. Thirdly, it has a 2-inch OLED display at the back of the phone. It is like a design gimmick, but it also has other features that can show notification, gaming controls, custom images, or animation if you like to show off on the back of the phone. It has a 165 Hz AMOLED display. Now, the best phones out there, even the latest iPhone is 120, Samsung is 120, 165 is off the charts. Lastly, it has a background mode. This is something spectacular for a gamer. You can set or enable certain features that lets you multitask without interrupting your gaming process. So you will have certain actions running on the background while you're gaming. So this comes really handy, right? No phone can do this that's out right now. If you like this review, leave a thumbs up.